So today let us see the lecture 17, IPMI, DMI decode, ADR. So this is the last lecture in monitoring and control section. Okay. So why I have included IPMI, DMI decode and ADR under monitoring section. So this IPMI, it will give the sensor monitoring, and DMI decode, it will give processor and memory BIOS monitoring, and ADR, as you know, it gives the monitoring of all the log files. So first let me go with IPMI. IPM is, intelligent platform management interface. So this IPMI, it will get all the data from ILOM. So as I have explained what exactly the ILOM in the last classes, integrated lights out manager, it's like a watch kind of thing. And our human body, if it is a server, watch is a type of ILOM. Okay. So watch has complete control on human body. You imagine like that. Watch can shut down you. Watch can keep you alive. And watch can monitor your body temperature, your pulse rate, heart rate, everything. Kind of same, ILOM has the ability to shut down a server. ILOM has the ability to start up the server. ILOM has the ability to monitor the entire server. It is a small chip integrated. It's like a LAN card in the old servers. In the new servers, it's like a chip integrated in the motherboard. So this IPMI, it will query on the LAN card. I mean, it will query on the ILOM and get all the information. So what information it will get? Let us say temperature of the server. It will query on the ILOM and it will get the temperature information. And if it will get the sensor information from ILOM, and it can get the serial number also. So if you want to know the serial number of a rack means complete Exadata rack, whole mission from top to bottom, wherein you see DB servers, compute nodes, sorry, DB servers, cell nodes, and switches. So the serial number of entire rack, you can get it from this IPMI tools and OEM command. So here you will not get, because this is a test mission. So there is no live this thing. It's not a live IPMI tool. You will not get it. But in real time, you will get like this. Exadata database mission X-2 some AK. And if you want to know the sensor information, IPMI tool sensor, and if you want to, in that sensors, if you want to see the ambient temperature, then IPMI tool sensor 5 grep ambient tool. So this is all monitoring. This is all monitoring. So that is just, I want to introduce what is IPMI. So that's why, I put this topic in our syllabus. IPMI tool H, you can explore many ways. Okay. So yeah. And next is DMI decode. See, the entire Exadata rack serial number you will get from IPMI tool. But if you want to know the serial numbers of individual compute nodes, you will get from DMI decode. Compute node serial numbers you will get from you will get from DBMI decode. And of course, not only serial numbers, you will get DMI decode minus H. Okay, here you will get much information like no processor information, memory information, slots information, everything. Okay, minus T, and you can give a processor. Okay, then processor information, and you can give the memory. You will get memory information. Okay, this is a very good command to get all the information related to processors, memory, and serial numbers of the individual ports. Okay, this TC only display entries given type, and you can explore. Okay, DMI decode minus T minus H, and storage cells serial number if you want to know. So then you can use DMI decode command using DC in conjunction with the DCLI. You will get to know all the cell serial numbers and processor information. And as I have here, I have given you IPMI tool for a whole rack for compute node and storage cells, DMI decode, and I have given another command to know the serial numbers of IB switches, that is IB or Rocky, that is this number. So show FRU info. In FRU info, you will get the serial numbers of individual servers, sorry, individual switches, and then ADR. Yeah, what is ADR? Okay, so this is also, I keep it under monitoring part ADR. Why I keep it under monitoring part ADR? ADR is like a diagnostic repository, automatic diagnostic repository. This ADR here we have compute node ADR and Oracle ADR and cell node ADR. If you want to see the ASM alert log file, that is a grid alert log, okay? If you want to see the ASM alert log file or listener log, you need to connect as a grid and you need to be on top of ADR base and then go to diag. So this diag is two keywords here. One is ADR base and then diag. Grid ADR base diag. If it is a Oracle RDBMS, Oracle base and diag. Oracle base is a ADR base here. And if it is cell ADR base is this one. Cell ADR base will be in OPT Oracle in, even in real-time servers. Okay. On top of this, you will see the diag folder. There you can see cell alert log file. In interview, people may ask you how do you identify cell alert log file. Then you need to tell, I need to, I will issue the environment variable in the cell so that I will get a ADR base of the cell. On top of that, you need to go to diag. Let me show you one by one here. So let you can go to grid. Okay, in the grid you need to see the ASM alert log and listener alert log file. How do you see? So you can you can grab the environment. You can see the ADR base somewhere. This is a grid base is nothing but a ADR base. Okay, go to here. Okay, so ADRCI. If you see ADRCI, ADR base is U01 APP grid. Okay, so now you are under that ADR base only. Okay, here you just give ls minus ltr. The keyword is diag. You go to diag. Under diag, you will see the alert log files. What are the alert log files? ASM alert log file and listener alert log file. So diag, you go to ASM and you go to another plus ASM. Okay, and you go to plus ASM and you go to trace directory under this. Okay, and you will see the alert log file. This is a ASM alert log file under on top of diag on top of ADR base or that is U01 APP grid. Okay, and the same way you can get the listener alert log file also, right? To go to diag and here listener is you know so ls minus ltr tns listener, go to this folder and go to listener folder. Okay, tns listener and x and listener. Okay, and then you go to trace directory. Everything, all files are under alert log files in the log trace directories only. So this is a listener log file. Where is this? This is on top of ADR base diag. So this is a monitoring. This is a monitoring, and this is a grid monitoring. And if you want to see the alert, RDBMS monitoring, you need to go to the environment pipe grep minus I base. This is ADR basis, this one. Or you can know in another way, grep smon, just export the export the database, export the instance or INV, Oracle prod. Okay, so ADRCI. Here the ADR base is U01 APP Oracle. So U01 APP Oracle. Okay, so PWD, you are under U01 APP Oracle. So if you see here, you have how many directories? Many, but you can see the diag. Our favorite directory for ADR is diag. Okay, under diag, where you need to go? This is a RDBMS. This TNS listener, you will not see anything under this because this is a Oracle user. Mostly it will talk to only RDBMS. Okay, RDBMS and ORCL prod, and then uh, diag RDBMS ORCL prod and under this another cell prod, and under this trace directory, and under this you can see the alert log file. Everybody knows this. So we need to monitor alert log file under ADR base of Oracle. The same way in the cell servers also we have a ADR base environment pipe grep, just a issue environment. You will see the ADR base is this one. Even in real-time servers, it will be like this. So go to this directory. Under ADR base, always you need to go to which directory? Diag. So go to diag directory. Okay. So ls minus ltr diag. So cell alert log file we are going to identify. So go to this asm and cell, and under this cell name, and under this trace directory, and under this star.log, sorry, star.log, you will see this alert log file. So this is the cell alert log file. So tail minus 10f, this is a cell alert log file. Okay, so maybe in the interview, maybe they will ask you how do you identify cell alert log file. So there you need to tell that, I will go to ADR base of the cell, and then diag, and then I will trace the route until directory until trace, and then I will identify the alert log file. That's it. That is cell alert log file. So grid alert log file or ASM alert log file is under this base and diag, and listener alert log file is on top of that base and diag, user one app grid, and rdbms alert log file is on top of on rdbms base and diag, and cell alert log file is on top of cell base, cell adr base and diag. Okay, so there is a uniformity, right? So you need to monitor all this stuff. So this is a ADR monitoring. So monitoring and control section is complete with this. You have a IPMI for monitoring for sensors and to get the serial numbers, and DBMI decode is for to get the serial numbers of compute and storage nodes, and to know the processor information and memory information in detail. And ADR monitoring is to monitor alert log file of DBMS, ASM or listener grid, and cell alert log file. So this completes lecture 17 under monitoring section. Okay, so the next class we will meet with Exadata DB patching, platinum patching and manual patching. So thank you guys. We will meet in the next class. Thank you so much.